So I have a bit of an issue here. I'm trying to launch my Antelope audio mixer. It's not allowing me to. Only other thing I could do is unplug it, replug. That should take care of the issue. I don't know why this happens. Something that happens every now and then. So I just wanted to document this. I'm not going to unplug it. I'm not going to do any of that. I'm going to see if I can solve this internally within Windows. So one of the first things that I want to do, I want to end this service. Now you can use Task Manager. I'm not going to. I'm going to use this other Microsoft tool called Process Explorer. Free tool. And again, it's from Microsoft. Now I'm going to find the process and I'm going to right click and I'm going to end process tree. So I'm going to kill process tree. Now it's completely gone. And I'm going to just, you know what? Let's make this a lot bigger. Let's go ahead and find more Antelope audio stuff. Here we go. Let's do the same thing. Let's just end. Now that's not allowing me to end because it's the audio server. So let me just type in the word AN to see if there's any other Antelope audio stuff here. No. So this is it. So let's go ahead and close that. Now the next thing I want to do is find that specific service and end it or restart it. And hopefully that could take care of the issue. So Windows 11 is a bit different than Windows 10. I know a lot of you guys still use Windows 10. So if you go to your start menu, type in CP, it's going to take you to control panel. Now in Windows 11, you're going to find Windows tools. This is totally different. So as you can see, it's a bit different here. And now we're going to look for services and it's right here. I already have that open. And what I want to do, I want to find Antelope Manager Server. And I am going to restart that. Hopefully my speakers don't pop or anything like that. And they did not. Now I don't see anything else here regarding Antelope Audio. I'm just assuming that this might be that server that it creates. So let's go ahead and launch the Antelope Audio application. So it opened the mixer.